Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Gilt app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Gilt is an online shopping app focused on designer fashion, accessories, home goods, and lifestyle products. It offers limited-time sales, personalized recommendations, and curated collections, helping users discover high-quality items at discounted prices. The app allows you to save favorites, track orders, and access exclusive offers, making it convenient for fashion enthusiasts and bargain hunters alike. Let's discuss how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Gilt's intuitive interface and the excitement of flash sales that offer significant savings on designer brands. Personalized recommendations and curated collections help users easily find items that match their style and needs. The ability to quickly check out and track orders adds to the convenience. However, the app isn't without downsides. Some users note that limited stock in flash sales can mean popular items sell out quickly. Additionally, since deals are time-sensitive, it requires prompt decision-making. Occasional app glitches or slow updates during high-traffic sales can also affect the shopping experience. In summary, the Gilt app may be worth using if you enjoy designer deals, curated shopping experiences, and exclusive offers. However, if you prefer a wide stock inventory, longer decision time, or non-flash sale shopping, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.